full script with markers. Must be 1,200 plus words. Midnight hook. 3 months ago, Sarah had no idea that AI would change her life forever. 0:30 introduction to the story. Sarah, a 28-year-old marketing manager from San Francisco, was preparing for her annual tax file. It was March 2026, and she was dreading the usual stress and complexity of dealing with taxes. Little did she know, an unexpected twist was about to unfold. Every year, Sarah would spend hours poring over spreadsheets, receipts, and tax forms. Her accountant, Mr. Johnson,
would charge her a hefty fee for his services, but the results were often lackluster. This year, however, Sarah stumbled upon an AI tool that promised to simplify her tax preparation process. Intrigued, she decided to give it a try. 1 o'clock, new development. As Sarah began using the AI tool, she noticed something unusual. The software was not only organizing her financial records efficiently, but also identifying potential deductions and credits she had never considered before. Excited by the possibilities, Sarah dug deeper. She discovered that the AI was leveraging advanced algorithms to analyze her spending patterns and suggest optimal tax strategies. However, there was a catch. The AI pointed out a loophole that could potentially save her thousands of dollars, but it was a tactic her accountant had never mentioned. 2 o'clock, the challenge begins. Here's where it gets interesting. Sarah was faced with a dilemma. Should she trust the AI's recommendations or stick with her accountant's traditional methods? After some research, she realized that many others had successfully used similar AI-driven strategies to optimize their taxes. With renewed confidence, Sarah decided to follow the AI's guidance. She meticulously documented all the necessary information and prepared to file her taxes. But then, an unexpected complication arose. 4 o'clock, unexpected complications. The IRS sent her a notice requesting additional documentation for some of the deductions claimed by the AI. Sarah panicked, fearing that she might face penalties or audits. However, the AI tool came to her rescue once again. It provided detailed explanations and supporting evidence for each deduction, helping Sarah navigate the complex tax regulations. Sarah spent hours compiling the required documents and submitting them to the IRS. As she waited anxiously for a response, she couldn't help but wonder if she had made the right decision. But the real surprise was coming. 6 o'clock, the big reveal. A few weeks later, Sarah received a letter from the IRS confirming her tax return. To her amazement, the AI-driven strategy had worked flawlessly. Not only did she avoid any penalties, but she also saved thousands of dollars in taxes. Overwhelmed with joy, Sarah realized the power of AI in optimizing her finances. She shared her success story with friends and colleagues, encouraging them to explore similar tools. But what happened next changed everything. 7 o'clock resolution and takeaways. Word spread quickly, and soon, more people started using AI tax tools to save money. Sarah became a local expert, helping others navigate the complexities of tax filing. She even started a side hustle offering AI tax consultation services. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use AI to save on your taxes. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop new AI and finance content every single day. The next story is even crazier. 7:30 final thoughts. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always consult with a professional when making important financial decisions. But with the right tools and knowledge, you too can harness the power of AI to optimize your taxes and save money. If you like this, watch our next video on how AI is revolutionizing the job market. Stay tuned for more groundbreaking content.